What is Earth? The Earth is the home of all living things. What is the shape of the Earth? The Earth is round in shape. Which planet is called the blue planet? Earth planet is called the blue planet because of the presence of water. Who was the first person to prove the earth was round? Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. What is horizon? The place where the land and sky appear to meet is called the horizon. What is coast? The place where the land and sea meet is called coast. What is the solar system? The sun and the 8 planets together constitute the solar system. What is a star? A natural luminous body visible in the sky, especially at night, is known as star. Here we observed one new word, luminous. Luminous means bright or shining. What is a planet? A planet is a large round object in space that moves around a star. The earth is a planet. Or planets are the heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. What is an orbit? An orbit is a path. The planets move in a fixed path called orbit. In our solar system, the earth orbits the sun. How many planets are in our solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Pluto was considered the ninth planet of the solar system until 2006. However, it was reclassified in the new category of dwarf planet. What is the order of the planets in the solar system? The planets, according to increasing distance from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What is a dwarf planet? A planetary mass object that is neither a planet nor a satellite. What is a satellite? A satellite is an object which have been sent into space in order to collect information or to be part of a communication system. A satellite is a natural object in space that moves around in a planet or star. What is an example of a natural satellite? Satellites can be either natural or artificial. Moon is an example of a natural satellite. What is an astronaut? An astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space, or one who travels outside the Earth atmosphere is called an astronaut. What is called the atmosphere? Atmosphere means mixture of gases that surround the earth. Who was the first person landed on the moon? In July 20, 1969, the American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the moon. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Which is the planet nearest to the Sun? Mercury planet is the nearest to the Sun. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury is the hottest planet in the solar system. What is a sun? Sun is a star. Which is natural satellite of Earth? Moon is the natural satellite revolving around the Earth. The Earth's surface is made up of land and water.